watch my first video on how to improve your performance of your computer without using third-party applications. This is how to improve your computer and speed it up utilizing third-party applications. First off, what you want to do is go to Google and type in BELARC, BLARC, whatever, advisor, which is right here. Now click it. This is a wonderful tool that I have been using for many years. It's a good tool, a good advisor for your computer. Click it, install it, do what it says. It doesn't take long if you got a good computer, good internet. Hit I agree, and then install, and there, it's ready there. I don't want to check. It's checking, just checking my computer, doing what it has to do. It does take a minute because there's a lot of stuff on a computer. Now let it go. While we wait, the next thing is this Intel Turbo Boost. Intel Turbo Boost is for Intel-based processors. For example, as it says, I got an Intel Core i7. This is a 3630QM processor, which basically, if you don't have this technology, it's a 2.4. But with the Intel Turbo Boost, it'll boost it up to 3.2. And so now, I will give you the link for this. You go to Google, which I just messed up. Intel Turbo Boost. Now, you click on the second one, but I'll also give you the link, and you would hit download, and you hit accept. Now you do not want the downloader. It's retarded. It's just a waste of space. Now here is my BLARC Advisor computer, the information about my computer. You can see I have an Asus, whatever you want to call it, G75VW. It's a DH73-3D model. Now, I only got one hard drive installed on this computer so far, or laptop, which it is a solid-state drive. You can see that it's healthy. You can see everything about this. It's a Windows 8 Professional with Media Center, 64-bit, build 92, installed language English, which I don't know why it's on the United Kingdom. But you can see what your circuit is. And what's nice about this, when you're calling tech support and they ask, oh, what's your serial number? If you got your serial number, you don't need to flip your computer around, do all that hassle. What's nice, okay, now you got your memory. You can see I got 16 gigs. You can see I got 4 gig chips in each one. Tells you even the serial numbers. It's a beneficial factor if you know your serial numbers, and let's say your computer gets stolen and you find it, you can verify this is your computer by having all this information down. So how many people think, oh, the memory, we gotta change that? No. This is all encoded in the motherboard itself. So you can see what printers you got, what users you got, communication devices, other devices. And what's nice is at the end, if you ever forget a security code, you can physically see what software, and sometimes they'll tell you what the code is, the software licenses of the programs. And it'll tell you if it's activated, when it expires. It's just a good tool to tell you. Let's say, oh, I need help with my graphic card, or do I have my graphic card driver installed? Okay, what kind of driver do I have, or what kind of graphic card do I got? Okay, I got an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 670M, and I just copy that, go to Google, and hit paste. Now, okay, there it is. Bam, it's beneficial. Now, you've seen that, and you've seen how to get Intel Turbo Boost. Now, the next thing, when you first install a computer, more than likely you're going to need CCleaner, which CCleaner is a beneficial program. I have it installed right now, which I just click on it. I already did this, temporary internet files, history cookies. Even if you just formatted your hard drive and installed a fresh copy of Windows, there is still a lot of temporary files from this initial setup. So you would run cleaner no matter what. And for me, because I do this often, I don't need to go through the thing. But I just did this not even 15 minutes ago, and it just removed 15.5 megabytes from it. You can't tell me this isn't beneficial. Now, you can hit analyze, 0 bytes to remove because I just did it. So we're good. I mean, it will do what it has to do, and I'm telling you, it's beneficial. Registry, scan for issues. I'm missing stuff, and now I can go fix. Okay, I mean, there's so much stuff for installing. If you want to install something, use this tool because it'll make sure everything is gone, and it's just going to save you a headache in the long run. It's when you uninstall something using someone else's uninstall file, it will physically make sure all the traces are gone. If you use the uninstall version of the program, it'll leave remnants of the original file. So use this, it's beneficial, just use it. And why wouldn't you when it's free, you know? So you got Intel Turbo Boost, which obviously boosts your need of rate. Like you can see it's going up and down from 3.1 to 3.2, saying, hey, I don't need all this demand. I don't need all this physical, speed. And you can see I'm only using 17%. I'm using 18% of my memory. Probably the most one's going to be Desktop Windows Manager and then my screen capture. So I'm not using much at all. I got a lot of stuff running, and this is another way to speed your computer up, is finding stuff and junk that you physically do not need anymore. Like, let's say I don't need this running. I'd hit untask. And then later down the road, I would physically uninstall it, making sure it don't start up. This is where startup will help eliminate that problem. Because if you don't have it running, and when you restart, it won't run. So why not do that, Well, thanks for watching. I pretty much got majority of what I think would be beneficial for you. But in the end, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, I could help you. Just give me a holler on my Google or on YouTube, and I can physically help you either via TeamViewer if you need, or Skype if you guys need help. So hit me up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.